How to score pass marks in class 10th maths. Minimum pass marks kaise score karna? Might be this is what most worrying thing for you. मैं गणित में बहुत कमज़ोर हूँ। कम से कम 27 आउट ऑफ 80 स्कोर कर सकता हूँ क्या? क्या कोई रास्ता है पास होने के लिए? You might be worrying with all these kind of terrific or fearful questions. Now, no need to worry because GoodBricks is there with you and we have come up with a solution. Because you might be thinking, is there any way to score minimum pass marks? Yes, there is a way to score pass marks smartly and easily you can score. We have 4 mantras to score minimum pass marks. Matlab, to score minimum 27 marks in class 10 mathematics, we have 4 mantras. But before discussing all those 4 mantras, first and foremost thing you have to do is burn out all your worries, fears and negative thoughts because these are the things which are stopping you to score from your pass marks. So first, burn all your worries, fears and negative thoughts which are revolving around your brain just like planets around the sun. First of all, be positive and stay cool and calm. And we are there to help you to score minimum pass marks easily and smartly also. Now you might be eagerly waiting to know what are those 4 mantras. They are very simple, easy and smart. And our first mantra to score easily pass marks is write formulae of your class 10 mathematics and revise them every day before going to bed. This is very important point, my dear students. Write the formulas of each and every chapter. You have 14 chapters in class 10 mathematics. Note down the formulas and revise them every day before going to bed. So, as part of sample or example, here we are displaying on the screen some formulas related to some of the chapters. So you can see polynomials and these are the formulas related to polynomials chapter. Similarly, we have quadratic polynomials chapter and its formulae. Again, you just look at arithmetic progression and one more important chapter in mathematics in terms of formula, that is surface areas and volumes. So this is how you can note down all the formulas in your notebook and you can quickly revise them so that in the examination, if you write at least these formulas, there are chances for each question. If you write any formula related to that, then there are chances to score at least 1 mark. Now you might be thinking how we can score pass marks with the help of formulae. See here, my dear students. This is the class 10 mathematics CBSE class 10 mathematics section B, section C, section D and E, and in each section 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 means 18 questions we have. If you write at least 18 formulas in your answer sheet, you will get minimum 18 marks. Along with that, once you substitute some values in that formula, for substitution at least you will be getting half mark, means half of 18 is nothing but 9. 18 plus 9, 27. Over. You will pass with the help of writing correct formulae and substituting the values and little bit you simplify. Over. You can definitely pass with the help of formulas only. Again we have to discuss 3 more mantras. In the first mantra only there are more chances to score pass marks. So my dear class 10th CBSE class 10th students, write and revise formulae of each and every chapter which is there in your class 10th because they are really going to play a critical role to make you to score pass marks. So this is how using our first mantra you can successfully score pass marks, and let us discuss remaining 3 mantras how they are going to help you. Our next important mantra is sticky notes, sticky notes, sticky notes, sticky notes. Using these sticky notes in each and every topic or in each and every chapter, you identify important or key concepts and note down them on your sticky notes. You can paste these sticky notes in your notebook, on notice boards, or even you can paste them on walls. And whenever you will find leisure time, you can quickly open your notebook, and you can also do very fast revision of a particular chapter just by turning your pages. With the help of sticky notes, you can quickly revise all the mathematics chapter. Here are some examples of sticky notes of mathematics chapter. This is how you can note down formulas and important points of each and every chapter of your mathematics. So, by writing these sticky notes, you can quickly open your notebook or in your study room. Also, you can quickly revise just by looking at them. Our third mantra to score minimum pass marks is select easy and high scoring topics from every chapter. Select easy and high scoring topics from every chapter. Now you might be thinking how? For that, first of all, you have to look at your blueprint. You have to look at blueprint of class 10th mathematics. You can see here on the screen, these are the different chapters from different topics and their marks weightage also as per CBSE 2025 examination pattern. We are showing the blueprint. So this blueprint is really going to help you to select easy and high scoring topics from every chapter. How? Let us see. Let us now look at different strategies to score minimum pass marks. Here you have on the screen strategy 1, and here triangles, circles from geometry unit, introduction to trigonometry and applications of trigonometry from trigonometry unit. If you practice these 4 chapters, there are chances to score 27 marks. Let us look at strategy 2. Real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations, quadratic equations and arithmetic progressions. If you practice these 5 chapters, then also you have most possibility of scoring 26 marks. Next, strategy 3. These 4 chapters of algebra and coordinate geometry. If you practice coordinate geometry and these 4 chapters, then also there are chances to score 26 marks. And my dear students, in coordinate geometry, you have only 2 formulas. What are they? Distance formula and section formula. Based on section formula, again you have midpoint formula, trisection formula. They are derived formulas. Whatever it may be, just by practicing these 5 chapters, there are chances of scoring minimum pass marks. So these are the different strategies which you can work on. Once you select any one of the strategy, from the selected chapters also you can even select easy and comfortable topics. For example, from these 3 chapters, if you practice splitting the middle term, just by practicing splitting the middle term, you can solve almost all the problems of these 3 chapters. So this is one way of selecting easy topics and easy chapter or comfortable topics. And one more easy topics which I feel is nth term formula, sum of the n terms formula, which you can easily do in arithmetic progressions. So this kind of topics selection is also important from each and every chapter. So as I mentioned, one thing is you need to follow different strategies to score pass marks. Strategy 1, strategy 2, strategy 3. After that, from each chapter you need to select easy and comfortable topics which are going to help you to do problems very comfortably in the exam. Such kind of topics and chapters you have to select, and this is how also you can easily get out or come out of the problems which are there related to passing or scoring pass marks in class 10 mathematics. Our last mantra is nothing but fourth mantra is papers, papers, papers. It may be previous year paper, it may be sample paper, it may be model paper, it may be chapter wise paper, it may be any kind of paper which you may be listening, seeing, reading. So all those papers, practice as many papers as possible once you complete first three mantras. First you have to complete first three mantras, then only practice papers, papers, papers. It may be previous year paper, sample paper or model paper. You please practice as many papers as possible at least 2 days before of your final exam. So, my dear students, in this video we discussed simple, easy and smart 4 mantras which are going to help you to score minimum pass marks. And what are they? First one is write and revise your formulas of each and every chapter. Second mantra is select easy and simple topics from each and every chapter. Third mantra is sticky notes. Prepare your own sticky notes which are really going to help you to quickly do your revision. Fourth mantra is practice papers, papers, papers. So these are the 4 mantras which are really going to help you to score pass marks, minimum pass marks. Hope you will follow all the points or all the 4 mantras which we have discussed in this video, and all the best for your exam. Thanks for watching and learning.